Hi students, today we will discuss about how to write assembly language program to find the n number of even and the odd number in an array using 8051. So the logic under this will be the given input you are going to divisible by 2. So whenever you are obtaining a remainder value as 0, it is an even number. Whenever you are obtaining a remainder as non-zero, it will be an odd number. So for this logic we are going to write the code. The first thing, you have to load your input in your memory location. So my starting memory location will be 4200. So this will be given to my data pointer. So your data pointer will be pointed out by the address of 4200. So from this I am going to load how many number of input? 10 input. So that 10 input I am going to load it in your R3 register. So I am going to load the 10 as a hexadecimal value as 04. So in your right hand side you can able to see your memory location along with your 10 different set of input. After that I am going to have R2. So this R2 going to load the number of even number, the count of even number, and your R1 register going to hold your number of odd number count. So initially those registers should be 0. Then clear your C register. After clearing, I told you each input you are going to divisible by 2. So you have to load your 2 value in your B register. So this indicate the given input you are going to divisible by 2. So I am just loading your immediate value 2 in your B register. Next, the data have been loaded in your data pointer now. So from the data pointer the value should be moved to your A register. After moving that, divide AB. Okay, so divide AB now initially your A value will be 6. Okay, initially your A value will be 6 and your B value will be 2. So after executing this instruction, so that is your 6 divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2, your quotient value will be as 3 and your remainder value will be 0. So your remainder value is 0 now, it will be an even number. So move the value of B to my R0 register. Okay, so I am going to compare and jump if it is not equal. I am going to compare the R0, that is your remainder value, with your 0 value. When both are equal now, what it will be your even number. So even number now I should increment which register? R2 register. Okay, when it is not equal now, it will jump to my L1 condition. So inside my L1, what I should increment my R1. R1 will be R1 register will hold the count of the odd numbers. So when it is not equal now, increment your R1 register. When it is equal now, increment your R2 register. Okay, then you have to move with your next set of data, that is 4201, next set of data 0B. So increment your pointer. Now your pointer have been located at 4200. You have to move the pointer to 4201. So increment DPTR. So here next instruction will be decrement jump non equal. So you have to going to decrement the content which is stored in your R3. R3 now the number of count you have been loaded. So you are going to decrement. When it is not equal, again I need to repeat this operation again. So it will move to my L3 condition. When it is equal to 0 now, both are equal now, what happened? All the array data have been completed. So you have to move your output to my respective memory location. So to store your output, I am just loading my output address as 4300. So your data pointer will be pointed by the address of 4300. So as I know, our output have been stored in R3 as well as R2 as well as R1. So move the first R2 value, that is your even count value, to my A register and then move to my data pointer. Then move your even. So even count have been stored in your odd value will be stored in your R1 register. Move the count to your A register. Increment your pointer to move to your next address 4301. After incrementing, move the content A to my data pointer. And then we know for 8051 we don't have any alt instruction. Instead of that I am using SJMP. So it will be jump within this, the particular instruction will be get executed again and again. So now we will execute the same program by using your 8051 microcontroller. So this is your 8051 microcontroller kit. Already have been typed your program. I will show you the program which have been loaded in this kit. So to view the program, press U enter. The starting address will be 4100. Enter. You can able to see the program. Reset. Now I am going to load your input. So to load your input, SD, my input address will be 4200. Enter and load your first data 06 0B 03 07 01 09 05 04 0C 02. Press reset. So now I am moving for execution. Go space starting address 4100. So after executing, press reset. Now my output I should get as I loaded 10 input. No, in this 10 input, 6 will be your odd number and your 4 will be your even number. You can see in this input. So see here, I just loaded your 10 set of values. In this 10 set of values, your even number will be 6, 4, C and 2. So the 4300 I am going to load by the even value. So answer should be obtained as 4, and 4301 will have the odd value. So my odd value will be 6. So you have to obtain the same answer by using the 8051 microcontroller kit. So now we'll execute the output. SD space output address will be 4300. Enter. So 4300 will hold what data will be a even number count. So even number count will be 0. Next address will hold your odd number count. It will be 6. Thank you.